Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss The Great Gatsby, a novel written by F. Scott Fitzgerald. First published in 1925, the novel is considered one of the most important works in American literature. It is set during the Jazz Age, a period often associated with wealth, luxury, and social excitement. However, beneath this glamorous surface, Fitzgerald presents a society filled with loneliness, disappointment, and moral emptiness. What makes this novel particularly interesting because it's much more than a simple love story. Through its character and events, the novel explores ambition, social class, identity, and the dangers of holding on to unrealistic dreams. To better understand these ideas, I would first like to discuss the story itself. The story is narrated by Nick Carraway, a young man who moved to West Egg, Long Island to begin a career in the bond business. Shortly after arriving, Nick becomes curious about his mysterious neighbor, Jay Gatsby. Jay Gatsby is famous for hosting extravaganza parties attended by hundreds of guests every weekend. Interestingly, although many people attend these parties, very few actually know anything about him. As the story develops, Nick discovers that Gatsby's luxurious lifestyle is motivated by one specific goal. Years earlier, Gatsby fell in love with Daisy Buchanan. But the two were separated. Now Gatsby hopes to reunite with her and recreate the life they once imagined together. The situation becomes more complicated because Daisy is married to Tom Buchanan, a wealthy and influential man. With Nick's help, Gatsby and Daisy meet again and begin spending time together. Gatsby believed that if he can prove his success, Daisy will choose him and leave her husband. Wow. However, Gatsby's dream gradually begins to fall apart. A confrontation between Gatsby and Tom forces Daisy to face reality, and she unlimitedly cannot bring herself to abandon her current life. The conflict reaches its tragic climax when Daisy accidentally kills Myrtle Wilson while driving Gatsby's car. Although Gatsby is not responsible, he chooses to protect Daisy by taking the blame. As the result, Myrtle's husband George Wilson believes Gatsby caused the accident driven by grief and anger. He shoots Gatsby before taking his own life. In the end, Gatsby dies alone. Despite the many people who attend his party, very few attend his funeral. For me, this ending is one of the most powerful parts of the novel because it reveals how superficial many of Gatsby's relationships actually were. This tragedy also helps us better understand Gatsby as a character. Among the characters is the novel, Jay Gatsby is undoubtedly is the most fascinating. The makes Gatsby such a memorable character is the he is both admirable and tragic at the same time. On the other hand, he ambitious, determined, and optimistic, coming from a modest background. Gatsby life. Gatsby is unable to let go of the past. He's become so attached to his dream of being with Daisy that he refuses to accept reality. Rather than loving Daisy as she truly is, he holds on to an idealist version of her that exists most in his imagination. In my opinion, this is what makes Gatsby such a relatable character. Many people have experienced situations where they held on to a dream, a relationship, or an expectation for longer than they should have. Gatsby's story reflects a very human desire to believe that the past can somehow be recreated next about them. Okay, one of the most significant themes in The Great Gatsby is the American dream. Okay, Gatsby appears to embody this dream because he rises from poverty and extraordinary wealth. At first glance, his story seems to prove that success is possible through determination and hard work. However, Fitzgerald presents a more critical perspective. Although Gatsby became rich, achieved the happiness he desired through Gatsby experience, the novel suggests that material success alone cannot guarantee emotional fulfillment. Okay. And another important theme is the contrast between illusion and reality. Throughout the novel, Gatsby creates an idealist vision of Daisy and imagines a future that can never truly exist. As reader, we gradually realize that Gatsby is not chasing reality, but rather an illusion he has built in his own mind. Okay, the novel also explores the emptiness of wealth and materialism. Many characters enjoy luxurious lifestyle, yet them often lack meaningful relationship, responsibility, and genuine happiness. Fitzgerald seems to guess that wealth without purpose or moral value ultimately leads to dissatisfaction. These themes become even more meaningful through that novel's use of symbolism. One of the most famous symbols in the novel is the green light located at the end of Daisy's dock. For Gatsby, the green light represents hope, desire, and the dream he has spent years pursuing at the same time. It symbolizes something that always remains just beyond his reach. No matter how close Gatsby gets, his dream never becomes fully attainable. Through these symbols, Fitzgerald encouraged readers to look beyond the plot and think more deeply about the society and values presented in the novel. Last in last is my personal opinion. Personally, I believe The Great Gatsby remains a remarkable novel because its themes continue to be relevant today. What impressed me what impressed me most was Gatsby's unwavering belief in his dream. Even though a reader can see that his goal is becoming increasingly unrealistic, Gatsby never stopped hoping. His quality makes him both inspiring and tragic. And tragic. One lesson I took from this novel is that having dreams isn't important, but is equally important to recognize when our expectations no longer match reality. Gatsby's downfall occur not because the dreams, but because he becomes unable to let go of an idealist version of the past. So, in conclusion, I think move on.